Hi, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. Today I am discuss about how to create your Google Search Console account and how to submit your XML.sitemap here. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. After enter the Google Search Console website, you can see like this interface. To create your account, click on Start Now. Then you can see here is two options are available, domain and URL prefix. Today we work with website URL. Okay. Now we copy our website URL. Okay. Now I am paste here my website URL. Then click on continue. After click on continue, you can see like this interface. Now I am copy the HTML tag from here. Copy. Okay, you can see here is introduction. Copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's homepage. It should go in the head section before the first section. Okay, now we go on our Blogger website. Okay, then click on theme. Now click on drop down option and edit HTML. Okay, this is head section and I am paste here down the head section. Okay, this is the head section and I am enter this code, enter the head section and click on save button. Okay, you can say update successful. Now we go on again Google Search Console. Now click on verify. Okay, you can see ownership verified. Okay, done. Now you can see here is your property now add. Okay, you can see my website are add from Google Search Console. Okay, now we submit our sitemap. Okay, click on sitemaps. Then you can see like this interface. Right here sitemap.xml. Then click on submit button. After click on submit button, you can see sitemap submitted successfully. Okay, you can see here your sitemap.xml are successfully submit here. Okay, the date is August 13 and 2023. Okay, that way you can add your property from Google Search Console and submit. You can submit your sitemap from here. If you want to add more property, you can add from here. Click on add property and give here your website address. Okay, thanks for watching.